Okay, Theo, this is just the scratch track to Time Is Running Out. Just the chorus. Now, when you go from the pre-chorus, the Murder It, remember the Murder It is gear 2 in volume. When we get to Our Time Is, it's 2 1/4. And then Big Smile and Cry on Running Out to 2 1/2. Really important we go through these different lights and shades. It's super, super duper important. So hear me. I won't let you. Sorry, I'm getting a bit lost here, Theo. Sorry. Let me just do that again. Bury it. I won't let you bury it. I won't let you smother it. This is 2. I won't let you murder it. We're going from 2 there to Now Time 2 1/4. So let's just do that there again, okay? I won't let you murder it. Now Time Is. Sing that for us at home. And then we're going to Running Out. Nice big smile, nice big cry. Hit that at 2 1/2. Go for it. Big smiles, big cries. Now let's piece all that together. Let me piece it together. I won't let you murder it, 'cause our time is running out. Now time is running out. Bring it back down here. I can't push it 1 3/4. I can't push it underground. Okay, so make sure we really go for those notes there. Last line is the same. You can't stop it screaming out. Okay, so make sure you really go for those there, big cries on that. You can stop and pause after every one of my phrases if you want and practice it a cappella.